Now in this video I'm gonna tell you about some configuration files of Asterisk, and I will try to explain you in a more detailed way what is the role of these three configuration files. First of all, I would like to tell you that all the configuration files are located in the etc directory of Asterisk, and by using these configuration files you can perform any action with the calls, and also you can route according to the dial plan. So first of all, sip.conf. Basically in the sip.conf we define sip users, and in ix.conf we define ix users. SIP users that are communicating using SIP protocol, and ix.conf for those users who are communicating using ix protocol. ix stands for inter-asterisk exchange, intercommunication between asterisk to asterisk. Because when you talk about SIP, so one of the users is communicating using some another PBX software like Camelio or Free Switch, and we are communicating using asterisk. So for this purpose sip.conf is used, but ix restricts you to communicate within the asterisk to asterisk communication. So that this is the clear concept between these two configuration files. And now extension.conf. So extension.conf, which is the heart of the asterisk, it is also known as the dial plan. The function to be performed with the calls, all the functions that has to be performed with the calls are written in this extension.conf file. So, and they are executed in sip.conf if you are using SIP protocol, or in ix.conf if you are using ix protocol. The configuration of SIP and ix are same. The only difference is ix uses jitter buffer. So in sip.conf you define some parameters according to which asterisk works according to those parameters. Like if I give you an overall scenario, like you write about the context, you write about the call history, you write about to which codecs you will allow, to which codecs you will not allow. Also you distribute the extensions by giving them a specific configuration, place them in a different context. And we have a general settings in sip.conf which apply on all the extensions within the sip.conf file. So if one peer or user wants to communicate with another peer or user, it can be communicated using SIP, extension, or ix. In both of the cases, SIP and extension, he or she will use SIP and extension at once, or ix or extension.conf, ix.conf and extension.conf at the same time. So extension.conf is most important configuration file while when you are developing or creating, when you are making a dial plan in order to proceed your call. Also when you are routing them. So this is overall scenario about these configuration files. Let's continue to another video.